Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
People, you know tell me what I want. How it feel if you know say you meet a young girl I live in a this. Seen? And you're breeding. Seen? Yeah, you're breeding. And I take him out at this. And I put him in a this. Pan film land, yeah, bill it film. And the pitney where you give him. And you find out say he might cheat pan you and I give you bun and I carry infection come give you every minute. What you that do? People no make me know what you that do. See bathroom here and a Christmas a come and so me have shape my ambition and more significant shit pan good toilet. See bathroom here. I go fix it up in idea, but me not have nothing to do with the baby mother. She named Queen Rose pan TikTok. See it here? Me just take it out.
Oh my world, oh my precious.
And when me done install everything, I go show you how it look different. Me done with them girl, man. The girl a cheat on me with a man when he Briggy. You see me? In a Negril, downtown in work. Yo, the worst man me ever see. Everybody shame on my baby. People who used to give my baby mother things to the baby because the baby have tumor in her eye. Cut her hair. People force me to left her. People force me to stop build the house. You see me? Yeah, man. Me done with that, man. Because other woman out there wait for me, you know. Me a build her, you know. Never out of work, you see me? And me have this. Fian she and her sister and my baby. See her sister part there me start with my own money. And see her part yeah, ready for cast. Me done with some idiot girl, man. You see me? Big idiot. You see me? Make the girl all go court. Because me the girl with one son. And him tell me say the man nah mind him and while me there with him the man nah mind him for true. People make me know say them a fear take care of she and the pitney. And me making carry the man a court that's him a fear get $5,000 a week and the girl this me. Be a infection. Till me have to go get injection because the two of we a smell. Fear catches a smell, my cocky a smell. My cocky head bust up on all of them thing there. People no make me know what I go on about Queen Rose here, man. Queen Rose I go like him a nice somebody on TikTok, you know. Right now he change up in profile and sit you see it. I hit man.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss, they are my people, and you don't know. Just want to say special thanks and appreciation to everyone who showed them love, you understand, towards me, wife and family and thing. I don't know the thing of my people. But on a real level, my viewers and subscribers now. This clip you know we sent to the attacking boss now, people. Zine. And with this bridging and now who do the video now. Basically down in a west in a Jamaica, Westmoreland side because based on something where I talk people and yo, they understand him hurt, you know. And who feels it knows it, you know, people Zine. And but there's a lot to this thing. Number one, boy, the condition of that place don't look good, suitable for picking it. No, sir. Place nasty, place dirty, it not turn good. Zine. And appreciate the bridging for stay so boom. And I set up a place because you don't know, so I have a youth with basically the woman who might talk about people. So he might do it for him youth. But I see so another place and say, his sister might do it for. So I say, so what? You know, which me know man and thing different sometimes still, but what's so special about that sister that y'all build place it? You know what I mean? But at next level now, people where must say a whole heap of time she give him this and give him that. So that means it's a thing then we are going for over and over where she had do this and she had do that and maybe him give her chances and do that people and you know, there's a lot of side to these stories sometimes, you know, viewers and subscribers, and all I can say is people, boy, it not look good. The whole of this not look good, and it, you know, it just good for the fact where maybe somebody who did it now and I pray maybe the same girl can say a girl that go and hot on them something on social media. You understand and think people on TikTok, whatever them have people. And maybe now another man out there like pray it and thing, but when the man hear this now, people, or see these things now. Now, him will get local sense before me even go there go knock up, because if the man say, yo, him get something and the whole time thing cut up and she have this and you two of them, him brave still in the people. They come forward and do a video like this and put it, him really brave. Zine, which, boy, all me can say my people, boy, in this world there's a lot of crazy things been going on, you know. A lot of people, a lot, so much, and a level, yo, some people too much strong in a star, because, yo, some people, let me pause and give you a word from my sponsor. You know NEWLINK and Islandwide Express go way back. Our sponsor today is Islandwide Express. If you are Jamaican living anywhere in the world, whether England, Canada, US, Cayman Island, you can shop from your phone or computer and buy anything on the internet and have it shipped directly to your doorstep in Jamaica. And if you have a box and you have packet already, just simply send it to the facility in Florida and it will go straight to your doorstep in Jamaica. They ship packages big and small. If you want to send something to your people for the holiday season, check out Islandwide Express. You can see them on IG, YouTube, and Facebook. They have to loads of delivery videos. Give them a follow, Islandwide Express. Just check below in the description for all the necessary links. Islandwide Express, and them we are work with. People too much strong. Zine, and the man say, yo, him still there, you know, appreciate the fuckers, man. Tell us, say, him have a youth with the woman we talk about people, see? But him say, him still there, and him go fit up the bathroom, which we have to big him up for that, people, because think about him, youth. But if they never have a youth together, people, honestly, and which in certain ways and certain, look into certain things, people, if you look on the whole thing, see, they were together, and him just start set up that place there. So that means he was living in that condition as well. You know what I mean? So at first, he should not been in that condition. Our one was people, them separate or something. You know, there's, but honestly, this not look good. It's not a good look. Zine, it's not a good look. And actually, you have some woman nowadays, enough of them hot up, put on the hottest hairstyle, the newest clothes, them look the bashiest on Instagram, the hottest on TikTok over the Facebook, Zine. But people, if you ever figure see where they're living now, oh my word, oh my peaches NEWLINK, I'm not discriminating or talking bad against no one, but a reality, Zine, they're fiercey and they're ready for classy and this and that, people. But you want to go see the mattress, you want to go see when they take off the sheet them, eh? When then come some woman go get the look one time for the year and then go wash out the shit, people. And come send out the water. It black. It dirty and plucky and plaka. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. I'm telling a lot of them out there seeing. But some man now, them do fit in the situation, people. And them did and them comfortably in the old piece of bed with the old them a crawl up in there. No? But when things don't work out now, and then start get the heat and start get the bun and start get these people, then they see them come and cry. Come on, star. You need to fix it from before. Zine, you need to fix it from before. But on a level, people, it's not a good look. Zine, ladies, you need to take pride, especially when you have no youth them around. Now, woman, you need to take pride on yourself. You get what I say? And for you, Bridget, I just hope you're serious with what you do. You say you move on, you're done on this, and you deserve better. You can get good on this. You're construction man who can build this, you're a builder and this and that. Look here. You have an occupation, brother, which is good, you know what I mean? Nothing beat a trade. And yes, you can do, so all you need to do is to go get the right thing, them and clean up yourself, cleanse up yourself, which you say you do. You go doctor, you get this and you get that. And go revive yourself and find somebody who's suitable for you, because if you come so boom, doing all of these things for somebody, as I say, if you do it want to deliver under their condition, and that's something when it's suitable, when I look good, seen. But if you come someone and try to move somebody, give them new bathroom, give them new place to live and all of that, and in the end, them not appreciate that and them a mess up things, then that's not good for you and in a suitable. You understand? And a straight attack on that. Don't take my viewers and subscribe, straight attack. So, boy, you don't need to go fix it up, man. This a place I want G's out, you want Dettol out, you want bleach out, you want sanitize out, you want crampantize out, and you want fix up, you want to get one ton load of chuck, you know them big water chuck there, and go in there with the hose and just flood it out, so. Yeah, just pump it out, so. Clean it up, because it no look good. Zine, it just don't look good. My people, Big up on yourself. I don't know, say the attacking boss, they're my people, NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I'm more love and more respect for people. I don't know, going through some really tough times now, my people, you understand. And you all know, also the posts and things people should be able to come, but we're still there. Still a bit strong people, you understand. Still I keep the vlog. You know what I mean? My wife allow me and say, continue the vlog and thing how we are doing it with people. But deep inside, still going through a lot, people. You understand? Still, but, we have to be strong, see how we are. And thanks everyone for the wishes and the prayers towards me, my wife, and our family and thing. Appreciate it, my viewers and subscribers, But, it's never nice to lose your loved ones, people. You understand? Never nice. Just understand that. And who feels it knows it in a situation, my people. But enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings to people. Big up, peace out, and you don't know.